Hey guys, I thought I would share with you the last part of my journey. Let's see which car we have here. This is my 64 Impala 2-door, and I know I should have made some videos earlier, but I got a little stuck in it. I won't say stuck, but I bought this one and it took my time. You can't do everything overnight. So I decided my Impala had to stay in the garage for some years. Actually, I bought it 8 years ago, but it has been quite a large project. It was really bad, in a really bad shape. It was very rusty. So a few years ago I fixed all the rust, and I got it drivable, but then the transmission went off, and I rebuilt the transmission. And actually, I know it's not really beautiful because it has been sitting for a while, but it's just the valve covers that's not in the best shape. I tried to give them some wax, but it didn't hold up. So I think I will clean them up, and maybe, because it's some really old, it's the old Chevrolet covers, and they're really nice. But I need to clean them up again, and I think I will try to give them some clear coat. Actually, what I've done too, I forgot to tell you, I gave it a whole new engine too. So the old one was stuck. This is a 350 I bought for it, brand new. The old engine was stuck, and I gave up trying to fix it. You might have seen in the front. I can show you. It has the wheels, it has the hydraulics, of course. I did all that. It has been running, but I took it apart again and gave it a new paint job. The hydraulic pumps from they are from Showtime Hydraulics. The wire wheels are 7 inches wide, 13 inches reversed, as they should be. The paint job, I actually painted it myself in the garage. Okay, thank you very much. But my Chevy van, I painted myself too in the garage. But when you do things in the garage like a paint job, it does not come out perfectly. but it's pretty good. And what I did with my Chevy van, it went out really good, actually. No one would ever guess I painted this one myself. I've been driving it a lot, so it got a few damages. Yeah. Well, when you painted your cars yourself, you can just repaint it, so no problem. And once my Impala is driving again, the Chevy van is going to have a new paint job too. Same color. Just I want to get it perfect again. What I did was I painted it in the garage, and it had it did not went out perfectly, but I just sanded it down and polished the paint, and it went it got really beautiful. And this is what I'm going to do with the Impala too. The paint lays pretty nice, but it has a few things here and there, and it's no problem. I will sand it all down and polish it, and it will be perfect, almost perfect, and this is good enough for me. You might not be able to see this. I will try to show you. Yeah, you can see it. It has custom lace paint job I made myself too, through an old grandma's curtain. It's hard. Yeah, you can see it. It's really discreet, but it's there in cover. Yeah, that's nice. So what we're going to do now is assembling the front. I've painted the front parts, the inner fender and one of the fenders. I actually still need to paint the left fender and the hood, but almost everything besides those are actually finished. So I will start bolting the inner fender on the fender, and mount the front part to the Impala, and then let's take it from there. But we need to start out. I just tried to, today I went out buying a lot of stainless bolts for the front, but I could not find these. So for now I have this is to hold the main part of the front, and I need to clean it up with the brush, and I will see if I can find the stainless some stainless bolts later. But for now I will clean them up, and I will dip them in some stuff to keep them nice. All cleaned up, ready for some treatment. It's just I'll give it some rust protection, some clear rust protection. Hopefully this will hold up a little. Yeah. Well, it's better than no bolts. I think this is going to be good. Yeah. So, ready to put in. Front part bolted into place. It's it feels nice. It's a small thing, but it's a long time since I've seen it like this. And here you are with the bolts, which might be stainless steel in the future. But for now, this is good. And I will bolt together the fender parts. And remember to subscribe if you want to follow this project. Yep, this is a good day. The inner fender and the outer fender has been bolted together. It's so many years ago I've had these inner fenders bolted in, because last time I was driving this car, I was driving it without any inner fenders, because I knew I was going to pull the car apart again, and I just wanted to attend a couple of car shows. So, but now it's back in, and I love this. But usually it comes, I would show you, usually they are bolted together with some clips, but I did not have these clips, and I also think these clips is going to make it all become rusty again. So I decided to go. I bought these stainless bolts, and it's just bolts with the nuts, with nuts on the back side. So this is not the original way, but I think it's way better in the end. Time has come to bolt up the fender. Hopefully I can do this alone without scratching the paint. So I went for some protection on the door edge. I taped up the edge, so I think I might hit it. So let's try. Well, I had the fender on, but I had a little issue and I had to pull it off again. Before it got painted, I forgot a broken bolt here. So I could not get the fender on because of this. So now I have to cut the bolt and get it out, and so we can put a new one in there. And it's on, baby. It went easy enough. Alignment must wait until the hood is on and the other fender and everything. Then I can align the door and everything up together, so it looks nice. That's it for today. Thank you.